Welcome to Room Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to solve applications of systems of linear equations word problems. So I have a word problem here. It says a taxi driver had 31 fares to and from the airport last Monday. The price for a ride to the airport is $4.50, and the price for a ride from the airport is $11. The driver collected a total of $289 for the day. So it wants to know how many fares to the airport and from the airport were there. So we're going to set it up using we're going to set up two equations, and then we're going to solve using the elimination method. So we're going to use T for to and F for from. So to the airport plus from the airport is equal to 31 in total. That'll be our first equation. The second equation, we're going to write the corresponding number or price for each one. So a ride to the airport costs $4.50. We're going to write 4.50t plus, and a dollar from the airport costs $11. 11f is equal to the total amount of money he made that day, which is $289. All right, 289. And now we can either start eliminating now, or you can get rid of the decimals. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of the decimals if you want to do that way. You're going to carry this decimal place over 2, which means you have to carry the 11 over 2 and the 289 over 2. So that would convert to 450t, because no more decimal, plus 11, and then you add the 2 zeros. So we put 1100 is equal to, drop this number down, and add 2 zeros to the end of that. That's how you get rid of all the decimals. Now, this equation you can ignore for now. We're only working with the top one and the bottom one. Now you can pick one you want to eliminate first, the t or the f. We're going to eliminate the t first. So we're going to multiply the top equation by whatever number we need to eliminate this for. Since the t has nothing in front of it, and the t down here has 450, we're going to multiply the whole top equation by negative 450. So we're going to convert that to negative 450t minus 450f is equal to, and then you're going to take 31 times negative 450, and you'll get negative 13950. And now we're going to carry this equation over here. So write down 28900 equal to 1100f plus 450t. And then you can either, now we're going to eliminate or combine by adding. So we know that. Now we're going to try 200. Now we're going to put 28900 minus 13950. You're going to get 14950. And then we need bottom number, 1100 minus 450, and you'll get 650. And these last term over here cancels out. Now we're going to divide both sides by 650 to isolate the f. That crosses out. And 14950 divided by 650 gives you 23. F is equal to 23. So from the airport, he drove 23 times. Now if you want to find to the airport, you take 31, this number here, minus this number. So t would equal 8, because 31 minus 23 is equal to 8. And to check it, if 23 plus 8 equals 31, then you know you got the right answer. So he drove from the airport 23 times and to the airport 8 times. That is how to solve applications of system of linear equations word problems. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.